Millennials, baby boomers, and Generation X have unique behaviors and values that they contribute to the workforce. Now, with Generation Z entering the workforce, there will be significant changes in global business culture and recruitment. Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator, and today we are going to talk about how to attract and retain employees from the Generation Z. Gen Z, the generation born between the mid-1990s and early 2000s, is the successor to millennials. As the oldest Gen Z individuals are still in their mid-20s, they will soon become the fastest growing group in workplaces worldwide. Gen Z, having grown up with the smartphones and consuming short content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok, have developed faster information processing capabilities compared to other age groups. Employers can leverage their shorter attention spans to enhance engagement and productivity, capitalizing on Gen Z's exceptional multitasking abilities. Constant exposure to technology has shaped this generation into quick communicators who are accustomed to promptly addressing issues and inquiries. They're also skilled at tailoring written communication to various channels and social groups as needed. Additionally, this generation is known for their flexibility, adaptability, and quick grasp of new concepts and procedures. Like most workers, Gen Z wants promotions, good wages, and attentive bosses. Gen Z prioritizes careers that align with their values and provide purpose, work-life balance, growth opportunities, diversity and inclusion, technological integration, entrepreneurial possibilities, and purposeful leadership. While individual preferences may vary, these trends should be considered by employers seeking to attract and retain Gen Z talent while acknowledging individual needs and goals. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. Gen Z employees are less willing to work with minimum wage or slightly above it. To attract and retain these employees, it's crucial to provide wages that are well above the minimum. A strong employee benefits package is essential for satisfying Gen Z workers. Along with health insurance, consider offering retirement plans, commuter benefits, stock options, and more. Gen Z employees appreciate perks beyond traditional benefits. Providing free workplace meals or snacks encourages engagement and creates a positive impression. While occasional overtime may be necessary, this generation values work-life balance. Constantly asking them to work long hours can decrease motivation and lead to burnout. Gen Z dislikes micromanagement and toxic work cultures. Giving employees autonomy and creating a respectful environment is key to retaining them. While full-time remote work may not be possible in some professionals, offering flexible options is important to Gen Z. Implement policies that allow employees to work from home when they don't have in-person meetings, giving them the choice and keeping them engaged, even at a distance. Effectively managing Generation Z may require some additional training, even for experienced supervisors. Gen Z seeks meaningful work that allows them to tackle challenges and make a difference. Offering such opportunities can be crucial for retaining them. Regular feedback, including on a daily basis, is highly valued by Gen Z as a means of motivation. This demographic is forward-thinking and prioritizes job mobility. To keep Gen Z engaged and motivated, prioritizing continuous learning should be a top requirement for your company. With each generation entering the workforce, there is a significant pool of talent available. As Generation Z enters the working world, employers have a unique chance to attract young individuals who are well-versed in technology and contemporary social norms. If you operate in the tech sector, you may have an advantage in recruiting Gen Z workers, as studies indicate their interest in this industry. However, to retain them, it's crucial to align your business with Gen Z values and priorities. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Stay tuned for our next video. Bye!